Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Mario and this is 60 Second Snacks. So you grab your favorite breadsticks. I have some regular ones and some sesame seed ones. I really like the sesame seed one. Grab a piece of mortadella. I've got some mortadella, some really good provolone, and some Genoa salami. Just roll it right up. Put it in a tray. You can just lay these out for anyone to have, or you know, maybe make it for them. Let's make a little sandwich. Got a piece of mortadella, really nice provolone. I'm going to use 2 pieces of Genoa salami because they are smaller. And let's wrap this up. Think of it as maybe a antipasto, right? Alright. Now, maybe you're not a meat eater. That's alright too. Just grab a piece of cheese here, roll it up. Now let's test them out. Look at that. Alright. This is the classic. Just plain mortadella wrapped around. Really good. Used to do this before a Sunday dinner at my parents'. So like to keep your appetite. Not too much. This one. Mortadella. A really good sliced provolone and some Genoa salami. That's good. Have it for a lunch too. Why not? Less bread. And this has been my favorite thing lately, is the sesame seed with just the cheese. What the heck? They're all my favorite. Sub. They were all delicious. I know this was more than 60 seconds, but I think it was well worth it. Check the links in the description below. Everything I use in my kitchen is there. Be sure to subscribe to my Facebook, Instagram, and or Twitter account, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.